All right, everyone. As you know, I wasn't there today. I told y'all I had a thing. I will be there tomorrow. I'm not in love with the list I've come up with because there's just not a lot of good setups. We did have like a 2 day bounce in the market. It looks like we're starting to roll over again. It is worth noting tomorrow is FOMC day. So if I go to 5 minute candles on the SPY here, yeah, it looks like we sold off from the open for the first maybe 30 minutes and straight sideways all day. That's not uncommon. And you kind of had a similar scenario on Monday, sideways most of the day and a little climb at the end. You generally the Monday and Tuesday before FOMC decision day are pretty dead, and I see that. I didn't miss much today. It doesn't look like. Anyway, so just be advised, we'll probably be dead in the morning leading up to FOMC, and then maybe a little bit of chaos. I don't know, but I'm not a huge fan of FOMC days. But we might catch some nice gappers on news. We might catch some nice news plays tomorrow. But as far as what I'm watching for tomorrow, I'm not in love with it. HMR is probably my favorite still. You had this pop, 2 day pullback like it. Tried to run today, got a little extra volume. Maybe back through 4 tomorrow, knowing that today's high is 404. And then you had this most recent high of 480. So probably my favorite chart of the ones I'm getting ready to talk about. TIGR, kind of a nice little breakout today. Could give a setup tomorrow. MRP. Oh, you know what? Hang on. We always have new members popping in, and so when new members show up, they probably haven't seen this yet, right? So I want to put this out there. If you're new, pause the video and read that. It's a good description of what our chat room is all about, all right? Okay, so back to the list. MRP hasn't been trading that long, right? Looks like it started trading early February, and since opening day, put in a high of 2707, has done next to nothing since, but a nice pop today. So it could have a follow-through day tomorrow. So that's kind of interesting. QUBT, the quantum plays have been pretty strong. Looks like a lot of them pulled back today, and this one did not. It actually went up. So QUBT, maybe the most interesting quantum play going into tomorrow. MGRM, you had the big pop 2 days ago, and then the quiet inside day. Could be a third day play. IHS, trying to break out, but closing well off its highs, so I certainly don't love it. TME, trying to break out, could have a follow-through day. And then NEXT, you can kind of picture a trend line if you follow my cursor, right? You know, the big flag here, big volume today, and breaking this trend line today. So could have a follow-through day tomorrow. That's it. I'll see you guys in pre-market, and we'll work together to add some gappers to this list. Have a great night. We'll see you tomorrow.